welcome back to my vlog.
Excuse. And that's what she does.
I'm sorry, you threw water on me in the last one.
Yeah, I did.
Hello! This is where it should be always.
Wow, is that the Capitol building?
No, that's Busch Gardens, not Busch Gardens, that's in
Busch
Florida.
Gardens. We lived on the street from Busch Gardens.
That's in Florida.
No, it's not. It's in Las Vegas.
I don't, maybe. I can't.
Gotcha. My favorite prank.
I can't enter that way anymore? What the fuck?
Whoa.
Zoom, 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 way up.
Thoughts? God bless.
What?
Everyone.
We should have invited him. Oh, what thoughts?
Guy on the bike?
Yeah.
No!
What's your issue with them?
We're in a bad neighborhood.
Alright, we're going in. Hello, what's going on?
We're going where?
Handheld, boys.
Oh, we're going to watch the sunset, but I think Collin's gonna get carried away with the metal detector. My mom.
We have a metal detector. I'm here to find gold.
I don't think there's gonna be gold in Hamburg if we can go there.
I'm here to find gold.
We went this way to the fair. Remember?
I do remember. God, stop reminding me of my bad past.
Excuse me? We went to the fair together.
I was a different person then. You don't need to bring that
We
up.
were. We're the same person.
Hey, watch your mouth. Actually, I could probably show you where I got pulled over.
You told me it's right by the...
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Sorry. I don't know if you're talking to me or the vlog.
Yeah, I'm talking to the vlog.
Stop doing that. Jesus.
She's in right.
Who says that?
I do, that's why I just said it.
Wait, so is a quarter to 8 when it sets, or is a quarter to 8 when it starts?
Probably when it sets and starts. Look at her butter nails.
No, it's like, let's look at your
During a virus. Yeah, mine are perfect.
stubs. Oh my god, they're adding on. Or are they?
Just call me a stub. We're getting close to where I got pulled over. Same spot, by the same cop, on the same day, literally 1 month apart. Second time I was shirtless. He said, why are you shirtless? And I said, I just came back from being a dishwasher. My shirt was soaking wet, distracted me. And he goes, why does this car smell like weed? I'm like, what? Did you come from a friend's house? I'm like, no, I came from work. He goes, it's okay if you came from a friend's house and there's a little weed. I'm just wondering if there's any. I'm like, no, there's not any weed. I just came from work in my mom's car. Highly doubt there's any weed in this car. He goes, okay, okay. So, yeah. Don't F with me, sir, please. Officer. I think it started with the O. Olive. Is that the sunset right there?
Yeah.
Did the sun already set?
No, it sets right in 2 minutes.
It's too cloudy. Where's the sun?
That air view?
Remember that?
Wow.
Remember that? Which one? Ow! Thank you. Oh, I thought they were Doritos. Do you like Doritos?
No.
First mistake, little bitch. Imagine how many people died in this water. The horror so many times. How
Are we
many
saying-
bodies are never found again?
Oh my god.
That kid will be making a sandcastle. Mama, look! I found a kid for the castle. She looks over like, ha ha ha, what? Oh my god! Dead body.
Ah,
Nope,
a
nope.
dead body. They're breaking the rules. Look at these losers on the beach. Sorry, I'm not fixing the lights. They're right there. They're not supposed to be there. And then there's a bunch of seagulls. Look, they're screaming for help. Oh my god, now there's even more.
Wanna go kick ass?
Yeah. They're retreating. Oh, no. One's going. One's going for it.
No, they're just going for more rocks. What if we just started throwing rocks at them?
I really want a bird to shit on them. That'd be really funny.
I just want a bird to attack them, scar them for life, so they will never like want to be near a seagull again.
Hello?
I think we're being noticed.
Oh my god, look at all the cars going on. Social distancing. 6 cars apart.
You're just not even moving.
There's a glitch in the system.
Okay.
The birds are upright.
Real talk.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Birds are fake. Birds are fake.
You think every single one of those birds are fake?
Birds haven't been real since, I think, what was it, the 50s? Or 80s.
I don't think that's... Oh, they're running.
Oh my god.
I really want one of them to fall.
I want one of them.
Just run up to the seagulls. What do you have?
Looks like it's getting longer.
That's pretty. Still. Even if it's just the pink.
But that would never happen if this was a round Earth.
We interrupt our program to bring you this.
I don't see the curvature.
Because it's curving! What would the curve even look like?